Every order of miracle wands comes with some decorating supplies to help you get started. Right now, this consists of washi tape, zip ties, and zip tie mounts. What can you do with them? Follow along and find out. We're going to put a cute little sign and a beautiful big butterfly on this one, and we'll use the washi tape to bring some glitz and glitter to the area in between the two. As always, nothing we're using here is expensive. You can get everything you need from your local dollar store. Here's a collection of some inspirational stickers. Let's take this one and see how we can mount it to the miracle wand. This dowel is spray painted, but it's the same wooden dowel available at any hardware store for $1 or $2. These little signs already have an adhesive backing, but because they're in the wrong place, we'll take them off. The zip tie mounts all have an adhesive backing. Peel the backing off and stick it to the back of the sign. Now put the zip tie on and tighten it just a few clicks. This will leave it big enough to slip over the dowel from the bottom up. Tighten the zippy tie where you want the sign to be and cut off the excess. Roll the clip around close to the sign so it doesn't catch on the fabric. These rolls of washi tape look small, but they're almost 3 feet long each. Plenty to help you decorate and make your miracle wands look snazzy. We'll combine 2 of them on this wand. Start behind the sign so the cut part is hidden, and hold the tape at an angle as you work your way down. We'll cut the tape behind where the butterfly will be. Now do the same with the second roll for your accent color. What will you do with yours? You could make signs of places you visited, a sign pointing to the hot tub or deck, or put up something whimsical at the cabin. No matter what, your miracle wands will look great.